In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Adobe Express. Rounded corners are a simple design touch that can make your images feel cleaner, friendlier, and more professional. Perfect for social posts, thumbnails, banners, and presentations. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can get it right the first time. Start by selecting the image you want to edit. If it's already on your canvas, click it once to make sure it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around it. If you're working within a design that has multiple layers, a quick click directly on the image makes sure the right layer is active before you continue. Next, open the editing controls. Look for Edit or a similar command in the toolbar or right side panel. Within that panel, find the Corners option. This is the control that tells Express how rounded you want the edges to be. Different versions or layouts may label it slightly differently, but you're looking specifically for corners. Now, use the corner roundness slider to shape the look. Drag it to the right for softer, more rounded edges, or to the left for subtler rounding. A small nudge can give you a gentle, modern feel, while a larger value can push the image toward a pill-shaped or even circular look if your image is square. Watch the preview as you slide to see how the frame wraps around the content. The goal is to match the roundness to the style of your project without distracting from the subject. After setting the roundness, adjust the image inside the shape so that nothing important gets trimmed by the rounded frame. Click and drag to reposition and use the corner handles to scale the image up or down. Keep key elements, like faces, logos, or text, centered and away from the corners so they don't look clipped. If your subject sits near the edge, a slight zoom and recenter can make all the difference. This adjustment is non-destructive, so you can fine-tune until it looks balanced. When you're happy with the composition, confirm or apply the crop so the rounded corners take effect. Look for an Apply, Done, or Checkmark button in the editing panel. Once applied, your image will retain the rounded edges within the design. You can always revisit the corners control later if you want to refine the amount of rounding. And that's it. With a few simple tweaks, your image now has clean, stylish, rounded corners that elevate your design while keeping the focus exactly where it belongs.